Hey guys, Tony Pellegrino here with a quick overview on the Auburn Gear Select-a-Loc Lockers. This is the kind of a unit that would go in your front or rear differential. Very heavy duty. They make these for the military, and they are one of the only lockers that you can engage while under power. So part of the reason I chose this electrically engageable locker from Auburn is that when I come up to an obstacle, I need to be able to instantly turn on that front or rear locker or both, and then have them turned off as quick as possible. Then, when I get out on the open stretch, I want an open differential to let the wheels do their work. I want the vehicle driving and running as fast and stable as it possibly can. So one of the advantages to a locker like this is that it's a lot less complicated. You don't have extra seals, you don't have airlines. You're not counting on a bunch of moving pieces inside here. You've got two wires that are mil-spec grade wires. These things are tough, they're coated, they're burly, and a lot smaller than the rest of the stuff that you normally have to plumb in here. Guys, this is a simple, reliable unit, completely selectable, which is part of the whole game. You get on the street, you just want to unlock it on the trail, everything turns better, less stress on all the rest of your driveline components. This is a locker that you are going to like and you're going to want to check out.